Inside your body right now, your blood is working nonstop to keep you alive. But what exactly is blood made of? Let's break it down in a very simple way. Blood is a special liquid that moves all around your body. It carries oxygen, nutrients, and also removes waste. An average adult has about 5 liters of blood. That's like carrying a big bottle of water inside your body. Blood is made up of 4 main parts: plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Let's start with plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of blood. It makes up more than half of your blood. Plasma is mostly water, but it also carries nutrients, proteins, and hormones. Think of it like a river that carries everything your body needs. Next are red blood cells. These cells give blood its red color. Their main job is to carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. They also carry carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be removed. Without red blood cells, your body cannot survive. Now, let's talk about white blood cells. These are your body's defenders. They fight germs like bacteria and viruses. When you get sick, your body produces more white blood cells to protect you. They are always working to keep you healthy. Finally, we have platelets. Platelets help your blood clot. If you get a cut, platelets rush to the area and stop the bleeding. They act like tiny repair workers inside your body. All these parts work together as one system. Plasma carries everything. Red blood cells bring oxygen. White blood cells protect you. And platelets repair injuries. Your blood is like a busy city, working 24 hours a day to keep you alive. Now you know what blood is made of. Simple, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more about your amazing body.